Welcome. Today in front of me INFINIX Hot 12i, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here media, call, alarm, ringtone and notification volume panel. Just hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these green dots. So also we can increase an incoming ringtone here by click this switcher. To turn it off, click on the switcher once again. Also we can here use the vibration for calls, always to vibrate, never, or just vibrate then first ring gradually. We can also turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can activate or turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing. You can choose ringtone, notification and alarm sounds here. And in other sound settings, we can see here the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration options. So we can turn on and turn off all of them just by click on each of the switcher. So then also we can use here the volume booster for speaker in sound attachment. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.